Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily share Instagram comments and your story. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments and subscribe to our channel. And let's get to the topic. And now I will show you from the very beginning how you can add this kind of post with comments. So, friends, let's say you have opened the Instagram app and here you would like to add your post with someone's comments to your story. Let's say some person, an opinion that you care a lot about and are very pleased with, has left comments to you. And you would like to add such a comment to the story. How to do it? To do this, open your post, then go to comments, and now you need to either swipe from the right side to the left side of this comment, or press and hold and you will see this menu. Next, you will need to either click on either the plus or add to history. That way your post with comments will be in the history. You can move both the comment and the post to any part of the screen. You can also zoom in on the comments, zoom out, and so on. You can also add some text, mark, geolocation, and so on. Then when you are done editing your story, just click your story. And you will have your story with your post and comments. So what if you wanted to add, for example, someone else's comments, which is someone else's comments under someone else's post? It is basically the same easy thing to do. To do this, select the post, then go to Comments, and then click on the comment or swipe on it. And then click Add to Story. And as you can see, both the post and the comment will appear, which you can add to your story by clicking here. This is the very simple and quick method to share comments on Instagram in your story. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care.